How to delete my AI Snapchat. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to delete my AI Snapchat. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, as you can see right here, it is my AI. So what I can do is just long press on it, click on chat settings, and you will see here some options to pin, hide chats, message notification, and notification sound. So usually there's a clear conversation button. So if you have that, just click on that. But for now, let's click on hide chats right here. And we can actually click on this after viewing. So another thing is to long press on it again, chat settings again, and the message notifications. So let's disable the message notifications so we won't receive any notifications from my AI. So the most probable and most useful thing that you can do is to click on your profile icon in the upper corner right here. Click on this gear icon right here to proceed to your settings. And from in there, just scroll down until you can see the option to clear your data. It's usually on the privacy right here, but if you have another version of Snapchat, then you can just scroll down and scroll until you can see other account options. So you can see in here, clear my AI data. So click on that right here and click on confirm, and that should be able to clear the data of your my AI. Another thing you can do is click on this clear conversation and just choose my AI on the list. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to delete my AI Snapchat. If you have comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.